So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about Dmail Airdrop. I'm pretty sure the name sounds familiar. Dmail. The name already implies what it does. Our native Gmail app is Web 2 while Dmail is Web 3, and let me explain. But before I explain, if you are new here to the channel, do make sure to like and subscribe to be updated whenever I post a new video like this. Let's get started. The main difference between Dmail and Gmail is that your emails on Gmail is not anonymous and they are being looked upon by centralized platforms. However, Dmail make use of blockchain technology for you to transfer electronic emails. Your information, that is your emails being sent on Dmail, are stored in the blockchain and no central authority can get access to it. And Dmail is backed by huge investors. They are backed by Hashkey Capital, KuCoin Labs, BNB Chain, and so on and so forth. Let me walk you through on how you are going to register. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video for you to start your registration process. Once you paste the link, this is how it's going to be like. Make sure you are making use of Mrs. Browser, or you can make use of MetaMask inbuilt app. All you have to do now is just connect to your MetaMask wallet. This is how the interface looks like. As you can see, it's similar to your native Gmail app. So let me walk you through what you are going to do first. First thing first, tap on the subscription bar and subscribe to at least 5 crypto projects. You are going to get 50 Dmail points. Once you have done it, you can tap on the reward icon at the top and you are going to see the reward center where you can gather points. As you can see now, I have 45 points and I'm going to walk you through on how you are going to be gaining points every day. You simply get points by composing emails every day on different crypto networks. We have Stacknet chain, OPBNB chain, Manta chain, Scroll chain, and I'm going to walk you through on how you are going to be composing email. You can also compose email on the BNB chain as well. In order for you to send an email on Dmail, tap on your settings and you are going to see your email address and also your principal ID. So if anyone wants to send you an email on Dmail, he has to include your principal ID as well. You can also be sending me emails every day and I'm going to be replying you as well. So let me demonstrate how to compose an email. I'm going to copy this Dmail address that I got from the web. Then I'm just going to send it an email. So all I have to do now is head over back to my Dmail dashboard and tap on compose. I'm going to paste the email and his principal ID as well. As you can see, this is the principal ID. Like I said, I'm going to leave mine in the description of this video. You can be sending me email and I'll be sending back as well. And I'm just going to paste the principal ID here. So on the subject, you can write anything, then you can just compose an email and just send the email. There's no much difference from your native Gmail. It's just that you are making use of blockchain technology to carry out your messages. So I'm going to send the email now and I'm going to select the network that I want to be charged. You can make use of any network to send the email. So you can make use of BNB chain and you are going to get 30 points. You can make use of Zkensik mainnet and get 100 points. So you can make use of different network depending on the points that you want to get. And kindly note that you can be getting all these points daily. So I'm going to make use of BNB chain to carry out this transaction. Kindly note that BNB chain simply means I'm going to be charged with BNB. So, and the gas fee is not even up to 1 cent. It's just $0.03. As you can see, $0.03. And sending this email, I'm going to get 30 points. As you can see, the transaction is now confirmed. The email has been sent. And if I tap on my reward point, I'm going to see that I've already gotten the point. As you can see, completed. So I can send another email on the Zkensik Era mainnet. I'm going to get 100 points. Getting hands on Ethereum on Zkensik Era network, Manta, Linear, Scroll is very high. The gas fee is very high. So if you want to be sending email every day, I can also recommend using the BNB chain and the OPBNB network. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video if you want to know how to get BNB on the OPBNB network. And you can even make use of as little as $1 to get BNB on the OPBNB network. So I'm going to compose another email, but I'm going to make use of the Zkensik Era mainnet network. I have some Ethereum on the Zkensik Era, so it's still the same thing. I'm just going to paste the email and also the principal ID of the receiver. As you can see, I'm going to be charged $0.24, so all I have to do is just confirm the transaction. So as you can see, I have now gotten my points. So I can just be doing it every day and be accumulating my points. But I'm going to explain one last thing that is very important for you. But before I do so, there are a bunch of tasks that you can play around with and you are going to be getting points daily. So the next thing that you are going to do is tap on NFT market and mint a domain. You can just mint a domain for free. People were paying like $5 before just to mint a domain, but you can currently mint a domain for free. So do make sure you do it on time. So just tap on pre-sale. All you have to do is to input your desired username and just search it. So in this case, I'm going to put my own. But make sure your domain name is longer than 8, because if it is lower than 8, you are going to be charged more than $10. But in this case, if your username is more than 8 letters or it is at least 8 digits, you are going to mint it for free. So in this case, I'm going to mint mine for free because my username is above 8. Once you've input it, all you have to do is just tap on search. As you can see, it is available. So all you have to do now is to just tap on lock and buy. You are still going to pay at least $0.02. It's not even up to $0.1. So just tap on confirm, and the gas fee is being charged on the BNB chain. And as you can see, payment is successful. So all you have to do now is you just tap on cancel. So once you have done it, just tap on bind and you are going to bind your NFT to your domain. So as you can see, it's now currently in use. So this will now become your Dmail email. So if you are accumulating points every day, come and tap on import to NFT. You are going to need a minimum of 200 points to import your points to NFT. So whenever you just have at least 200 points, be importing it to your NFT because that's the criteria to get the NFT. Once you are composing emails every day and you are getting much more points, just be importing it to your NFT. And that's pretty much it about this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video for you to register a Dmail account and also join my Telegram group because I don't post everything on YouTube. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe.